See, the next lesson is numbers and place value. Numbers and place value. See, first one they have recall. Recall means already you have learnt in your 4th standard. Now in the first one, answer the following. In the first one, the greatest 2-digit number. Greatest 2-digit number. What is the greatest 2-digit number? 99. Now second question, the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number. It is 100. Now what is the next question? The greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. It is 999. Now what is the next question? The smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number? You will have 1000. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now what is the last question? The greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. What is the 4-digit number? 9999. That means 9999. Now next question, second question. Write the number names. You have to write the number names. All these things you must have learnt in your 4th standard and 3rd standard. Now what is the first one? 4005. Now how will you write this? You have to write like this. 4005. 4005. 4005. Now what is the next one they've given? 4732. 4732. Now what will you write? 4000. Now what is that? What is this? 700. 4700. And what is it? And 32. And 32. Now what is the next third one? 5847. 5847. Now how will you write this 5847? 5000. 800 and 47. And 47. Now what is the next one? Next one, 8340. 8340. Now how will you write 8340? 8000 300 and 40. Now next one, write the numerals. Now next, what is the third question? Write the numerals. Now first one in that, 1600. Now how will you write 1600? You have to write 1600. 1600 means 1600. Next one, 5042. 5042. How will you write 5042? 5042. Now next one, 7986. 7986. This is how you have to write the numerals. Now next one, 9480. 9480. Is it clear? Write the numerals. These things already you must have learned. Now next, fourth question. Place value. You have to find out the place value. Now in place value, the first one, 5507. In 5, they have written, they have circled it or they have darkened it. Now you have to tell the place value. Now how will you tell? Ones, tens, hundreds. So that means what will you write? You have to write 500. Is it clear? Ones, tens and hundreds. So you have to write 500. Now next sum. What is the next sum? 6348. Now in 4 they have darkened it. Now what is it? How is it you have to write? Ones and tens. So what will you write? 40. So 4 into 10 is 40. Now next one. What is the next one? 9143. 9143. 9 they have circled it. Means darkened it. Now what will you write? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So what will you write here? 9,000. Now what is the last one? Next one. 8675. 8675. In 8675, they have circled or they have darkened 8 color. Now what will you write? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So you will write 8,000. Is it clear now? The next one, write the now next one, write the following. Fifth one, they have given, write in expanded notation, expanded form. You have to write in expanded form. Now will you write 3238. Now how will you write? 3000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 8. This is how you have to write in expanded. 3230 plus 8. Now next one. 6520. How will you write 6520? 6000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 0. Now next one. What is the next one? 8502. How will you write 8502? You have to write 8500 plus 0 because in tens it is not given. So you have to write 0 plus 2. Now next one. 7430. Now how will you write 7430? 7400 plus 30 plus 0 because there is no unit, you can write 0. Now next question. What is the next question? Write in standard form. You have to write in standard. This is expanded. And how will you write in standard form? What is the standard form? What is the first one? 2000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 7. Now how will you write? You write 2, 4, 2 and 7. 2, 4, 2 and 7. 2427. Now what is the next one? 5200 plus 8. Now how will you write this? 5000 plus 200 plus 8. Now you have to write 5. Here you write 2. 100 you write 2 because zeros nothing is given. You can write in what do you call? In tens place it's not given. You can write 0. Now what is the ones place? 8. So 5208. Now what is the next one? 3000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 5. Now how will you write this? 3 here, thousands. Now hundreds 5. Now tens you will write 6 and ones you will write 5. So 3565. Now next seventh sum. What is the seventh sum given? You have to encircle the greatest number. You have to circle the greatest number. Which one is the greatest number? You have to see. See 429, 536 and 209. So now what you have to do in this? You have to circle the greatest number. 400 is greatest, 500 is greatest, 200 is greatest. It is 500. So 536 is the greatest number. Now next sum. 6276, 6266, next 6267, next to 6267. Now all the three are 6000. All the hundreds are 200s here. But here in tens, this is 70, this is 60, this is 60. So this is the biggest number. This is the greatest number. 6276. You have to see thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Only that's how you have to do the greatest number. Now next question is your smallest number. How will you do your smallest number? Now in smallest number, 6555, 650, 605. Now in here, now all the three has got hundreds, hundreds are 6. And what do you call this one? Tens is 5 here, here it is 5, but here it is 0. So which one is smaller here? This one is smaller because it doesn't have value in the tens. So 605 is the smallest number. Now next one, 9099, 9909, then 4 nines. Now tell me, now how you have to see? You have to see all the 4 thousands are same. Here it is 0, here hundreds. Here it is 9, it is 9. So that means this is the smallest number because these two have got 9. So this is the smallest number. 9099 is the smallest number. Now what is the ninth sum? Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order and descending order. Ascending and descending order. All these things you must have learnt in your 4th standard itself. Now what is the first one? 1771, 6217, 4562, 8392, 5505. Now you have to do it in ascending order and descending order. Ascending, now what you have to do? You have to start from the lowest. 1771. What is the next thing? 4. 4 here it is very less. 4562. Now what is the next one? After 4 thousands, 5. So 5505. Now after 5, which one is here? 6. So 6217. Now what is the next thousands here? 8. So 8392. Now this is the ascending order. See next, now what you have to do? You have to do in descending order. How will you do this in descending order? 8392, 6217, 5505, 4562. That is, you will start from the biggest number to the smallest number. And the last one is 1771. So this is how you have to do your arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now next sum, 10th one. See 10th sum, using the given digits 4, 6, 7, 8, you have to write the smallest 4-digit number and the greatest 4-digit number. Now what you have to do? You have to write smallest and the greatest 4-digit number. Now very easy, it is smaller. 4, 6, 7, 8. You can write 4, 6, 7, 8. What is the greatest 4-digit number? You can start from here. 8764. So this is how you have to do your smallest and your greatest number. Now next one, large numbers. See with this, they have given one small discussion with the teacher and the students. See the school bell had rung. Bama, she went running and she's saying, where are the teachers going after the school hours with those blue bags? Immediately Aravind is saying, Ayo, they are going house to house. From house to house, they are doing census work. What is census? Immediately Aravind says, the headmaster has given some distribution of benefits. There are some benefits given by the government. So you have to find out the number of students studying in each class. So the data should be given, how many number of boys and how many number of women are residing in the locality. The head count of this data is known as census. So what is census is the counting of the data of men and women residing in the locality. Immediately Aravind says yes. For example, if rural population of Tiruvannamalai district is 6-digit number, so the total rural and the urban population of other districts can be even greater. So it can be even 7 or more. So to read large number, what you have to do when you read large numbers? So you have to put commas. You have to put commas. This is what he is saying. So thank you Aravind for the valuable information that you have given me. Now see largest 4-digit number. See what is the largest 4-digit number? Largest 4-digit number. It is 9999. Now what? Or in that story they have given, now the first digit you have to put a comma. So that means 9999. So when you add 1, so you get what you get? You get 10,000. So this 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. This is the smallest 5-digit number. Is it clear now? So largest 4-digit number 9999. When you add 1, you get 10,000. So this 10,000 is a 5-digit number. Now again you take largest 5-digit number. Now what is 5-digit number? 99999. Is it clear? Now when you add 1, now what is it you are getting it? You are getting 1 lakh. You're getting 1 lakh. So this is the smallest 5-digit number. So this is how what they have, the census, they have numbers after 99, 9099. So 9999. Now how will you read it? You will read 9999. So you have to put a comma here in this. So this is what the digit number, how you are going to learn the largest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number you are going to do with the fill in the blanks now.